Hello, welcome everyone. This is our new channel. As you can see in front of you, you have Amresh, you have me, Harish. We both are co-founders of an organization called Water. And what we are going to do in this channel is that we are going to deconstruct content creators' video and show you some disparities, show you some facts about all of it. Amresh, why have you kept our channel's name New Trial Zone?
Because every video is going to be a space where we are going to put videos under trial.
Okay,
So every time a new trial, while
nice.
we will try to be as neutral as possible.
Oh, so it's a wordplay, neutral and new trial.
Yes.
Good. So, we have a video today, viewers, for all of you. And our video is बोलने में भी मुझे हंसी आ रही है अमरीश कि ये
Rage
चल रहा है.
bait.
हाँ, ये चल रहा है आजकल. और टू टेल यू द ट्रूथ, मुझे गुस्सा आता भी है. एंड ये वीडियो का टाइटल देख तू भाई, द ब्यूटी
Hmm.
ऑफ रेज बेट.
सच में देखते हैं आई मीन तूने वीडियो शेयर किया है बट ऑल ऑफ बोथ ऑफ अस आर गोइंग टू बी वाचिंग इट एट द सेम टाइम तो देखते हैं क्या
या
है.
लेट्स सी. एंड viewers, for you, we are linking the video in the description. Please click the link and watch it with us. We will be explicit in telling you के कौन से मिनट, कौन से सेकंड पे हम रोक रहे हैं, हम पॉज कर रहे हैं. और देखते हैं, कॉपीराइट जोन को अवॉइड करने के लिए ऐसा कर रहे हैं हम. कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक. आई एम इन द जोन, न्यूट्रल जोन. कॉपीराइट जोन बोल रहा हूँ मैं. ठीक है, कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक को अवॉइड करने के लिए हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि अभी अभी मैंने देखा कि बहुत सारे कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक्स पड़ रहे हैं. When you call out hypocrisy, dogglapan, double standards, huh? Even I will also rage bait all the content creators who are doing rage baiting. What do you say?
Absolutely. I mean, people who call out, they also need to know that they can be called out as well.
इतने बड़े आदमी के बारे में ऐसे ही बातें करते हो?
Yeah, yeah. A lot of calling out is happening. Let's do a call out on call outs.
चलो शुरू
Uh,
करते हैं.
let's start. Yes.
And I don't know what it is, but there's something so beautiful about knowing you make someone angry for no reason. I feel like it's a sense of accomplishment or maybe satisfaction. I don't know. Whatever it is, successfully rage baiting someone has to be one of the top five feelings.
16 seconds, 0.16.
Hmm.
Top feelings, top five feelings that we will be rage baiting, and it is one of the top five feelings. I wonder what other four are.
Yeah,
If
seriously.
if all the content creators are thinking rage bait is that one of the top five
Pleasurable.
feelings, pleasurable. What is the concept in psychology for that?
Sadism
Deriving
कहते हैं उसको.
pleasure. Deriving pleasure out of somebody's pain. I mean, anger is a painful emotion to put.
गुस्सा आ रहा है तो I am hurting.
You're hurting. Yeah. तो रेज वेट जो भी कर रहा है वो सेडिस्ट है, मानते हो?
Yes.
क्या क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Agree.
सेडिज्म की हद है यार, हद है. let's
Algorithm.
let's let's
Continue.
continue. Yeah.
It don't crash out on you. When you're not the one being rage baited, it's got to be one of the funnest things. When it's the other way around, I promise you it's a whole nother story. 4 fucking seconds! 4 fucking seconds to piss me off! And yes, I do see the flaws in my logic, but I'm gonna keep going anyways.
33 seconds, 32 33 seconds के बीच
Hmm.
में. I do see flaw in my logic, but I'm
Still
gonna
continue.
keep.
इसलिए बुरा मान या ना मान घंटा फर्क पड़ता
हाँ, मैं कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ. तुझे तुझे लॉजिक दिख रहा है उसमें, नहीं दिख रहा, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, मैं कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ.
It is
ऐसे कैसे
almost like
चलता है?
it is almost like I said something which hurt you, then don't take it personally. Or I was just joking.
इससे मुझे उन लोगों के बारे में याद आता है जो बोलते हैं नो ऑफेंस मेंट, यू आर मीनिंग ऑफेंस।
Exactly.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
चल लेट्स कंटिन्यू।
Uh,
34 सेकंड से शुरू कर रहा है।
When it comes to rage bait, I found that it comes in three forms. The forms are straight up just capping.
In high school, my nickname was Basher because I used to bash people's heads in the lockers.
Being annoying. Y'all know, and being outrageous.
One drunk man is more intelligent than three women with PhDs.
Thank you so much. In order for you to understand each one of these respectively, let's analyze it. First up, we have lying. Now, this one is pretty self-explanatory. The most
Oh, 1 minute, 3 seconds.
hmm.
First one, we have the liars.
खुले में झूठ बोल के लोगों को पकड़ते हैं।
सच्चाई छुपाई गई, अफवाह उड़ाई गई, बात कुछ और थी, बताई कुछ और गई।
Yeah, telling lie outright and with so much of confidence that कुछ लोग मानते हैं उसे सच।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Yeah.
They are so vulnerable, they are so naive that they follow anybody who says anything with an iota of confidence.
Agreed. And एक proverb है ना कि a lie told confidently number of times is perceived as a truth.
Is perceived as a truth. Yes. यहाँ पे मैं एक साइकोलॉजी का कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आना चाहूंगा, द डनिंग क्रूगर इफेक्ट।
Yeah.
Can you explain that for our viewers? What is Dunning-Kruger effect?
It's the paradox where we underestimate and overestimate our capabilities at the same time. Putting it very simply, कि stupid people think that they are smart, while the smart people are doubting their capabilities, and that discrepancy is.
और आज इंटरनेट में जो स्टूपिड हैं, जो खुद को स्मार्ट समझते हैं, उनकी कमी नहीं है। And I think that is one of the reasons why you and I have decided कि स्मार्ट लोगों को भी अभी आना चाहिए। जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि पॉलिटिक्स खराब है, ये है, वो है, तो मैं भी बोलता हूं उनको कि तो फिर उतरो, साफ करो दलदल, है ना, तुम खुद कुछ करो।
अब डनिंग क्रूगर के साथ आई वुड ब्रिंग अनदर कॉन्सेप्ट, बर्नम इफेक्ट। ब्लैंकेट स्टेटमेंट्स बनाते हैं इन द नेम ऑफ ट्रूथ।
I'll give an example of Barnum effect. Viewers, ये कान खोल के सुन लो, तुम्हारी लाइफ में तुम्हारा दिल 2 बार टूटा हुआ है। such a common statement, लेकिन मैं जब ऐसे बोलूंगा, जो भी कोई ये वीडियो देख रहा है, सब रिलेट करेंगे, क्योंकि सबका दिल 1-2 बार तो टूटा हुआ ही है। तो instantly you will click and say, Harish, yes, yaar, how could you say that about me so correctly? I mean, you connected with me across the plains of internet and reached directly into the bottom of my heart.
अरे क्या अनाप शनाप बोलती हो?
Dunning-Kruger effect and Barnum effect. जिनको नहीं आता वो प्लीज गूगल करके पढ़े। Very, very popular concepts of psychology.
An example is pretending to know about something just for the sake of making somebody else. And I have to admit, I'm guilty of this one. I do not know the first thing about soccer.
Favorite soccer player?
Yeah.
Got two, man. Got a few great soccer players. First of all, every player on Liverpool.
But Speed said that Ronaldo's a GOAT, so I'm just go with it. I just be making stuff up and hope they don't notice, bro. I'm gonna keep it about. I remember I got flamed because I said Ronaldo has more skill than Messi. Don't admit you're wrong. Just double down. So I said that how come he's
1 minute 36 seconds. Don't admit that you're wrong. Just double down.
Give more evidences, gaslight the other person.
Yeah. I mean, think about the very prominent figure in our field in India right now, the awkward Bakri.
हमको जिंदा मत छोड़ो सालो, हम कोई मंदिर का घंटा है कि कोई भी आके बजा जाता है।
क्या पता उसका सही यूजर नेम बोलूंगा तो कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक आ जाए।
बहुत लोगों की मम्मी है।
हाँ, झूठ बोला है, लोग पकड़ रहे हैं, लोग उस पे रिएक्शन वीडियोस बना रहे हैं, लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर मैडम जस्ट कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक्स मार रही हैं एंड स्टार्टिंग next levels of supremacy and campaigns and
Hashtags.
yeah, no bloody idea of the consequences. There was an incident जहां पे किसी ने तो उसके ऊपर पॉक्सो केस डाला,
Yes.
right? No awareness about consequence कि क्या कर रहे हो तुम,
जो कर रहे
ये
सही है kind of.
यही है वो इफेक्ट, यू नो। एक बार झूठ बोलो, कुछ भी करो, एक कैंपेन शुरू कर दो, फिर रियलाइज करो कि गलत हुआ है और डबल डाउन करो उसके ऊपर, या तो उसको टोटली इग्नोर कर दो कि ऐसा कुछ मैंने किया भी था। Think about the news channel who are inviting her. Maybe because of the TRP, because she has views, so people will click के ऐसे कैसे न्यूज चैनल किसी को बुला सकता है।
And the job is done.
I think the news channels are also doing rage bait, no? ऐसे लोगों को न्यूज पे बुलाकर।
हाँ, जानबूझ के करते हैं. It's very tactical.
Okay.
चलो, लेट्स मूव अहेड।
Proceed. Yes.
5 मिनट 50 सेकंड का वीडियो है, लेकिन मैं 3 बार ऑलरेडी रोक चुका हूँ। 1 minute 36 seconds, folks.
See, by mixing a little bit of truth in there, I've gained even more power. And niggas went off like fireworks. Wait, but this year, baby, or where's more something? See, you know, Ronaldo has figured out it's so now, this one's a pretty easy trap to avoid. Just call out a nigga for his bullshit and leave it at that. But just like everything else, it gets to a point. If we're arguing and I Google the answer and it says I'm right, don't start talking about, oh, you're using an outdated source. That's not even rage bait at that point. You're just lying to my face, bro.
My nigga, you cannot do that. That's not okay.
This one is literally the least harmful form. Just don't get trapped by it. Most of the time, it's extremely obvious that someone's just lying to make you mad. Now, this next one, this is my least favorite one. This is just being annoying. And to the people that do this, just know I wish the very worst on you. When I think of this form of rage bait off the top of my head, what comes to mind is when you started just a little bit and people drag it. Okay. There is never a need to be such a nuisance. And the worst.
2 minute 40 seconds. Just straight up be annoying.
Get under the skin.
Get under the skin. I mean, people would want to engage with you in a comment war, you know, but these people are not realizing that all you're providing the creator is more engagement.
Bad
The
publicity is
creator-
also publicity.
Bad publicity is also publicity, and creator is also wanting you to engage, wanting you to comment down there. I mean, on that occasion, I will not ask you to comment down here. We are not doing this for engagement. We are doing this for sheer awareness of it and not doing rage bait. But all the content creators, man, stop being so annoying. Whatever
For
you're
the sake
doing,
of being it.
for the sake of being annoying, like जानबूझ के, you know, उंगली करना, चुगली करना, के guys, you don't know that, you don't know this.
And वहाँ पे talking about annoying, I also know so many people change their voice just to be annoying. Nasal
Yeah.
voice कर लेंगे. You know what?
Nice.
And all those kind of accents लगा के just to.
Ah, my goodness. Say what you are saying, because some people are saying good things, but they are on purpose doing the rage baiting ताकि engagement हो, viral element आए, and they are basically calling you dumb. And you know, as content creators, you are who you are because of the followers.
Exactly.
You're calling them dumb.
उनको लगता है I am the puppet master.
Why?
Manipulation. उस पे भी आएंगे अपने, उस पे भी एक वीडियो बनाएंगे बस. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. अगर ऐसे और वीडियोस देखने हैं तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर लेना.
Why?
That makes absolutely no sense. Just feeding for a response.
What are you talking about, huh?
Okay, let's analyze that sentence real quick. You always getting full. What does that mean? Is this nigga keeping track of how often Duke is eating till completion? This shit is ridiculous, and it got no contest on this one.
Don't need you wear glasses. Nigga, my vision. Nigga, obviously my eyes. Dickhead.
Yo, niggas really be dumb as shit. Is your brain located in your ass, buddy?
I would call this a reasonable crash out. But hey, when you're not the one on the receiving end, it's pretty fun. I know whoever said this was looking at his computer like this.
Located in your ass, buddy? What made you wear glasses?
Even me, a person who has nothing but pure love for the game, I gotta say I'm not a fan of the good boy. You do a nigga a kindness, a great favor, and they'll start talking about some good boy.
3 minutes 40 seconds पे I have paused. I just want to talk about what he said in between, that it's always fun when you are not at the receiving end.
Oh my God! Wow!
So all these content creators think it is so much of fun, no, that we did a successful hook. जैसे मछली पकड़ने के लिए हम दाना डालते हैं, मछली उसको चुगती है एंड फंस जाती है. So the fisherman is happy, but what about all those fishes for whom it's the last day to live? It's similar like that in internet these days. The content creator is so happy that we did a successful bait and hook, but think about, these are the followers who are making you who you are. Yes, you.
Wow! Okay!
If you're watching this, you know who you are, because what I'm saying, what Amresh is saying is triggering you.
And on that note, I would also say कि the content is the bait. Our attention gets trapped and critical thinking dies.
Okay.
Yeah, you get carried away in your emotions, and then you write an essay on the comment section. And what the creator does very carefully, switches off the comment section. कि हमने तो तुम्हें ट्रिगर कर दिया, हमारा कथारसिस हो गया, तुम्हारा कथारसिस कैसे होगा?
और जो लोग कमेंट सेक्शन बंद नहीं करते वो कमेंट्स
डिलीट करते हैं. यस, दिस इज अनदर ट्रेंड आई हैव बीन सीइंग. अगर इतना रेज बेट कर रहे हो तो हिम्मत भी रखो, कमेंट सेक्शन खुला रखो, एंगेज करो उनसे. बट या देयर आर सम हु मेक इट अगली.
अरे कौन भौंक रहा है ये बदतमीज?
सब हु मेक इट अगली. एंड आई थिंक ये उनके लिए भी है कि ट्रिगर हो रहे हो तो मत देखा करो रेज बेट वाली वीडियोस. देयर आर टू साइड्स टू द कॉइन. तुमको अगर गुस्सा आता है, तुम भी वही कंटेंट ही तो कंज्यूम कर रहे हो कि और ज्यादा गुस्से में ही रहे, लाइक 24 आवर्स गुस्से में रहे ताकि हम गालियां दे, हम फैमिली के सारे लोगों को लेके आ जाए कंटेंट के कमेंट सेक्शन में. क्यों कर रहे हो ये यार?
एंड यहाँ पे अगर थोड़ा टेक्निकल लेवल में जाए, just the way social media algorithm works, our mental algorithm also works in the same way. Reticular activating system. हमारा जो internal screening है, what we perceive to be real is what we perceive through stimulation.
And ये भी है कि अगर एक बार गुस्सा हो गए तो your body takes 72 hours to go to default state. मतलब गुस्सा निकलने में उतना टाइम लगता है.
This is not working at all.
बायोलॉजिकली, केमिस्ट्री बात कर रहा हूँ. अगर तुम्हें पढ़ना है इसके बारे में, go read up about how long does it take for your body to return to homeostasis state of being after getting angry, right? ये एलोस्टेसिस के जो फेज में होते हो वो बहुत लंबे टाइम तक रहता है, और फिर वही टाइम में तुम और कंटेंट कंज्यूम कर रहे हो, और ज्यादा गुस्सा हो रहे हो. गुस्सा गुस्सा गुस्सा. एक्सट्रीम लेवल क्या है? यू आर रेजिंग. You're infuriously putting comments on everything. You want to change the whole world in that 2 hours period of time that you're doom scrolling. Huh?
जैसे न्यूटन का लॉ ऑफ मोशन कहता है ना कि an object in motion stays in motion until unless an external force is applied.
So true. अब समझने वाले समझेंगे. लेकिन यार, this is to all those people who are consuming without thinking about the repercussions. के you also consume. जैसे कि तुम गंदा तीखा खाना, मसाले बिना खाना खाते तो नहीं रहोगे. तुम्हें खाने में अच्छा खाना चाहिए ना, स्वाद हो. बट मैं भी कैसी एनालॉजी दे रहा हूँ, मैं भी कैसा मेटाफर दे रहा हूँ. कुछ कुछ लोग तो 1-1 किलो बटर खा जाते हैं एक डिश में. बट ठीक है, jokes apart, that is a metaphor for another day. But consume wisely, because you are what you consume, not just food. You are what you consume in terms of information, resources, and number of things, right?
Every
Let
five
us get back
senses.
to, yeah, all those things. Let us get back to the video. 3 minutes 40 seconds, 2 more minutes to go.
Look up. Good boy. And y'all are genuinely wicked for doing this stuff to law enforcement, because they can't do nothing about it, bro. Can I just get your name and badge number? A minute. 1444. Good boy. There it is.
My money doesn't trickle. It folds.
You're lucky I'll never be a cub, because dead ass I'll block your airways and start a civil rights movement. Okay, now for the last and the most powerful form of rage bait. I think in the beginning I called it being outrageous. And what this entails is you say anything. And I mean anything that's going to get a reaction out of people. It could be the stupidest thing you've ever heard. It could be the craziest thing you ever heard. No matter what, it's going to be something. I didn't even need to do that much scouring on the internet to find an example. People love doing this for fun. Oh, I know I'm not seeing this right. Niggas are saying he dragging the Holocaust like it's a low-taper thing. It's a different level of out of touch, bro. This is something special. Just look at some of these comments, too. This nigga said, bro is in his OG fit. Like this guy's rocking the Renegade Raider.
Renegade Raider.
Just hang up the uniform just. No, because this next one is special, bro. This one had to have been written by the mustache man himself. Brody said, you missed one. Now this next level, you can't just be in it for the reaction. You have to have something in your blood. And this damn Kai Cenat save us meme, bro. Niggas are out here posting the LA fires, talking about some Kai Cenat help us, Kai Cenat come save us. What is Kai Cenat gonna do? You acting like this nigga has some special resources. This nigga is not All Might. When I first saw this, I thought people were being serious, bro. I don't even think this meme was intentional rage bait. I just think people thought it was funny. But still, this shit had me tight.
My God. I finished watching 5 minutes, 33 seconds. Somebody has commented down their longest 5 minutes, 33 seconds of their life. Maybe because what they went through was so triggering that they couldn't process it. Because if you think about it, the time is longest when you're suffering.
Yeah.
And the time is shortest
When we are enjoying it.
perceived shortest and perceived longest when you're joyous.
बात तो सही है.
So that means those whosoever wrote that longest 5 minutes 33 seconds of my life felt every bit of that video. I mean, why are you on purpose making people sad, people hurt, people angry? What do you want to say about that?
I just would want to add here कि sometimes we don't even realize that we are hurting somebody. कभी-कभी मजाक में बोल देते हैं because we want to feel good about it, we want to feel powerful, we want to feel seen, we want to feel noticed, वगैरह वगैरह. And जैसे you said, we need to be cognizant about the consequences. But most of the time, most people.
कोई नहीं सोचता। कौन सोच रहा है आजकल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस के बारे में? देखो हमारे प्रोफेशन में एटलीस्ट वी आर little responsible. I'm very mindful using little responsible because we can up to an extent control the consequences because we are taught to communicate in certain way कि ऐसे बात करें कि हम समझे भी कि वो क्या समझे हमारे कहने पर, राइट? पर बाहर जाके देखो, आई मीन आई टेक कपल्स काउंसलिंग, आई टेक regular counseling, career counseling, geriatric counseling. There are so many problems out there, or it it does a lot of the times boils down to communication issue of what they have perceived versus what has been said, and so much of depth in there, so as to why the misunderstanding happens, why the misperception happens. And yeah, I did call out so many content creators out there in this video, but तुम कहना अच्छा ही चाह रहे हो, रेज बेट के बिना कह दो।
मैसेज अच्छा
2
है।
दिन में मैसेज अच्छा है, 2 दिन में नहीं 20 दिन में वायरल होगा, पर नहीं, हुक तो हमें आप भी चाहिए।
ओके
फर्स्ट 1000 व्यूज मुझे 1 घंटे में चाहिए।
ओके
अभी चिमटी करनी है।
अभी उंगली कर रही है ताकि एल्गोरिदम पुश कर दे। अरे फाइट बैक क्यों? दिस इज लाइक डिजिटल स्लेवरी। दिस इज लाइक, you know, how the Britishers ruled over India for 200 plus years. This is like that. Now content creators are doing, and they don't even know that they are part of the propaganda.
एग्जैक्टली, उन्हें लगता है कि मैं अपने फॉलोअर्स को नचा रहा हूं या नचा रही हूं, whereas वो एल्गोरिदम पे नाच रहे हैं।
वो एल्गोरिदम के पपेट्स हैं। उन्हें एल्गोरिदम को सर्व करना है, ना कि उनके ट्रू मैसेजेस को, जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था उनका चैनल। किसी के लिए पैशन था, किसी के लिए लव था, but they are chasing algorithm now, rather than chasing what they started in the first place to do what they want to do through all these tacts, to all these strategies. पर उन्हें ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि just like how you are playing with your followers, the algorithm is playing with you.
हर शेर का सवा शेर होते हैं।
Algorithm is doing rage bait to you by not giving you views. I think but that's it for today, huh, Amrish?
Yes.
We will see you all again soon. We will again telling you that we will link the video that we did a content deconstruction on in the description. The first thing you will find it is there. And if you want to engage with us, to engage in the comment box. We are not going to turn the comments off, or we are not going to delete the comments. All the content creators who felt trigger, come express your trigger there.
Wow. Okay.
Because you also should know how it feels to be rage baited.
You don't have to like the video. Share your thoughts. That would be more
share your
appreciated.
thoughts. Yes, share your thoughts. Perfect. With that, if you liked it, like it. If you want to share it with that favorite content creators of yours, and might, you know, serve them a little bit of rage bait on platter, and let them know that this is what you are doing, or subscribe to see
And-
more of such deconstructed content. Yes, Amrish.
Subscribe करके don't forget to hit the bell icon. ये भी हमें भी थोड़ा एल्गोरिदम के साथ करना पड़ता है, because if you want reminders for new videos, that would definitely help a lot.
Yes. Or any closing thoughts on today's video, Amrish?
अच्छा लग रहा है, पहला वीडियो है, एंड हल्का लग रहा है। आई मीन टॉपिक हेवी था, बट somehow I feel light having spoken about it, because this was something which was running in my head for a long time, and got to speak about it. तेरे साथ बात करने का मौका मिला, shared similar thoughts. So yes,
Yeah.
looking forward to the new trial video next time.
क्यों हिला डाला ना?
On that note, I also have something to add. If you want us to deconstruct some video, please do make suggestions.
Yes, specific content creators, specific videos.
Specific reels, कुछ भी भेजो हमें. We will take a look and we will deconstruct it. और क्या पता हम तुम्हें इनवाइट भी करें, तुम भी आओ, तुम भी बोलो तुम्हें क्या लगता है वो वीडियो के बारे में.
Absolutely.
Let's take it
Panel.
forward.
Yeah, in future videos we might have a panel.
Yes. We are being very organic about it. कोई प्लान नहीं है, बस लोगों को अवेयर करना है क्योंकि इंटरनेट में बहुत ज्यादा कचरा आ गया है.
Agree.
और अगर साफ करना है तो हमें भी फावड़ा उठाना पड़ेगा, झाड़ू उठाना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा लोगों को समझाना पड़ेगा कि कचरा है भाई, मत यूज करो उसे.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
स्वच्छ
Clean करो.
इंटरनेट आंदोलन.
स्वच्छ इंटरनेट आंदोलन. उसी पे हम आज का वीडियो स्टॉप करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग आवर वीडियो टिल द एंड. Do see you again in the next one. Bye.
Yes.
Bye everyone.
See you.